Stir-fried veggies are one of the healthy way of eating your vegetables. So today's recipe is a stir-fried vegetable recipe which is very popular in Thai and Malaysian cuisine. Today we are going to make honey garlic tofu vegetable stir-fry. So let's start with our ingredients. So for this recipe we will first need to make a sauce. So the ingredients of our honey garlic sauce are soy sauce, half a cup. I have used here low sodium soy sauce, but if you are using dark soy, dilute it half and half. Half of the soy sauce and half of the water. Then we will need grated ginger garlic paste, about 1 to 1.5 of tablespoon. Salt to taste. Lemon juice, half of a lemon, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. The veggies that we will need for the stir fry are onions, carrots, green beans, red bell pepper, some white mushrooms, asparagus, and broccoli. In addition, we will also need some pan-fried tofu. Taken 1 cup of tofu and I have pan-fried them. Chili garlic sauce, some ground black pepper, and oil for cooking. Lastly, we will also need 1 to 2 teaspoons of toasted sesame seeds. Now I have started by adding ginger garlic to our soy sauce. About 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. Mix it. Add lemon juice. That's half of a lemon. This is going to give really a tangy taste. Mix and set aside. Now let's start stir frying our veggies. So let's start by heating 2 tablespoons of oil. To that I will add onions. We'll saute the onion till it's translucent. Now let's go ahead and add our veggies one by one. So I'll add bell peppers, carrots, mushrooms, green beans, and broccoli. Now I'll add some salt and let my veggies cook for about few minutes with the lid. veggies are slightly tender and we don't want to lose their crunch, so don't cook it too much. I will be adding asparagus at last because it gets cooked really fast. So now I'll add some 2 tablespoons of chili garlic sauce. Give it a mix. Add my asparagus. Now will be the good time to lower the heat of the pan. Add your tofu. And drizzle the sauce. Lastly, add some toasted sesame seeds. Now let it sit for a while at a low flame and then we will start serving. Honey garlic tofu vegetable stir fry is about done, and let it soak in the sauce. Let the veggies absorb all the sauce, and I have some brown rice here. I'm going to serve my vegetable stir fry in the brown rice. So our honey garlic tofu and vegetable stir fry is ready. I have served it with the brown rice and I will garnish it with some cilantro. It's ready. This recipe is great to include in your diet plan, and this has all the stir-fried veggies and tofu. Tofu is high in protein and all the vegetables are very nutritious and rich in vitamin. You can enjoy this with brown rice or white rice. This is a great alternative to routine stir-fry veggies, and it is really delicious because of the flavors: sweet, sour, salty and spicy, all at the same time. Do try this recipe and I'm sure it will be your new favorite. Do let me know how did you like this recipe. Take care. Happy cooking. Bye.